The Suffolk County District Attorney denied any wrongdoing in the case of the man who was detained by ICE right in the middle of his criminal trial. NBC 10's Mary Marcos joins us live from Andover with more on the reaction from the defendant's attorney, as well as more details on the case. Mary?
Well, Colton, you said it. The district attorney says his office had nothing to do with ICE detaining Wilson Martel LeBron in Plymouth, but his lawyer here in Andover doesn't believe that. The Suffolk County District Attorney says his office did nothing wrong in the case of Wilson Martel LeBron.
Any claim that we collaborated with ICE in their actions to remove the defendant from the trial are wholly unsupported by any credible evidence.
And that is false. It's gaslighting, and the question is the public going to allow it to occur?
ICE says they grabbed Martel LeBron on the first day of his trial because he's really Juan Carlos Baez, a Dominican Republic resident convicted of drug trafficking.
That was the purpose of the trial, to determine whether or not the government could prove that.
Boston Municipal Court Judge Mark Somerville found Monday that the state prosecution team obstructed justice and ordered ICE agent Brian Sullivan in contempt of court.
I'm dismissing this case with prejudice based on prosecutorial misconduct.
Martel LeBron's lawyer says State Trooper David Dumont testified that the ICE agent told Assistant District Attorney Jack Lucy about their plans to detain him during a break in his trial.
Somebody lied. There's no doubt about it. Somebody lied. The question is it ADA Lucy?
He didn't lie.
The judge decided the actions were due to inexperience rather than malice.
I blame the district attorney's office more for the lack of training than these young ADAs who got themselves put in that situation.
Ultimately faulting two state troopers for letting ICE know when he'd be leaving court, based in part on these texts between them. Now, both the DA and state police say their policy is not to help or obstruct ICE. The matter now goes to the Suffolk County District Attorney's office, and the judge says we will learn just how seriously they take it based on what they do with it. Live in Andover, Mary Marcos, NBC 10 Boston.